Well, hello everyone. My name is Mohammad Khansari and happy to see you again. So, for creating this sculpture, my opinion is to create 2 points. And this is the example of 2 points and 1 point into the Z axis. So, here we have 3 points. And after this, we have to create a plane for each point because we want to create circles based on these planes. So 2 planes with Z direction and 1 plane with X direction, like this. Now we have to create circles based on each plane, and here we have the circles. So after creating the circles, we have to create boundary surface using these circles and create random points based on these geometries. So we have them here, but we want 5 points for each circle. Just connect number 5 slider into the input of populate geometry. Now we have to create arcs based on 3 points, but the output is 3 groups with 5 points. But we have to flip the matrix of each group, and now we have groups with 3 points. So after this step, we have to, using list item, separate each group and connect each group into A, B, and C inputs of the arc. So now we have to change the inputs A, B, and C like this. It depends on your model. Sometimes it happens. And we have to change the radius of the circles. Great. So we have the arcs here, and I think the next step based on the output of the arcs is to yes, it's a good idea. Let's divide each curve, but we have to create just 2 points for each curve. Yes, here we have 2 points at the first and the end of each curve. Now we have to create planes based on the normal vector of each curve. Here we have the planes, and now we have the polygons for each curve. Let's change the radius of each polyline, and here we have the polylines and the lines. So simply after this, we have to create sweep 1 and create surfaces based on the polylines and the rails. So here's a section, and using arcs, okay, something bad happens here. We have some little problems. Let me try these things. No, it's not this. I think we have to flip the first group of each polygon, and let's separate them into 2 groups here, and now we have to flip these curves. Let me show you these curves. We have to flip them, and I think it will be fixed after that. Okay, let me flip and merge them with merge component, the first and second group. Let me simplify them, and now we have them. Okay, but we have a little problems here too. I think for fixing this problem, we have to flip the planes before these things happening. Okay, here we have the planes, right? So we have to, using this method, flip the plane. Yeah, here we have the flip plane component and separate the planes into two groups. Flip the first group and okay, connect the polygons, and no, I have to merge them first. So okay, here we have the polygons and we have the surfaces. Great. Okay, my friends, so just they are surfaces and they are not closed. For closing these surfaces, we have to use cap components. Using cap holes, we can close the holes of each surface and we can create closed B-reps. Great. So let's change the number of sides so we have rectangle sections here. Okay, happy to see you here, and please subscribe into my YouTube channels for future tutorials. Goodbye.